Hey up guys, it's Will from Jordanbikes and today I've got to sell this. It's a Suzuki GSXR750. MotoGP replica this one. Absolute Bobby Dazzler. Really nice. So if you're looking for something a little bit different and you want to do a bit track days or even just on the roads, it looks awesome. Anyway, give you some facts and figures. It's 2016 on a 66 plate. It's only done 1,311 miles. One owner bike. R11 exhaust on this. It's got the Yoshimura accessory pack on it as well. Carbon accessories, yeah, R&G protection there, tail tidy, yeah, all the usual stuff. Someone's already spent the money on this one. There you go, 1,311 miles. Gonna give it a quick start up. They sound fabulous. Really do sound mega, these things. Like I say, fantastic bikes. Anyway guys, all you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes and just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.